August 5th, 2026, the FDA approved Takeda's oveporexton, Orzeyful, the first orexin receptor agonist for the treatment of narcolepsy type 1. This approval is significant because, for the first time, a therapy is designed to restore the specific biological signal that is missing in the disease. Narcolepsy type 1 develops when an autoimmune process destroys the small group of neurons that produce orexin, a neuropeptide that acts as the brain's coordinator of wakefulness. Rather than keeping us awake directly, orexin activates multiple arousal centers throughout the brain, including those that release norepinephrine, histamine, dopamine, and acetylcholine, creating a stable state of alertness. Until now, medications have worked around this problem. Stimulants increase dopamine and norepinephrine, while other therapies enhance histamine signaling or improve nighttime sleep. These treatments can reduce symptoms, but they do not replace the missing orexin signal. Oveporexton takes a fundamentally different approach. By directly activating the brain's orexin receptor, it restores the pathway that normally coordinates the brain's wakefulness network. It's an important milestone not only for patients with narcolepsy, but for precision medicine as a whole. Rather than simply compensating for disease, medicine is increasingly learning how to restore the specific biological pathways that have been lost. At Animedics, we believe that's the future of therapeutics, and oveporexton is an important step in that direction.